Artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science. It focuses on creating machines that can think like humans. These thinking machines can process information, learn and make decisions. AI aims to mimic human intelligence in machines. This allows them to perform tasks that normally require human thinking. AI systems are designed to learn from experience. They improve their performance over time. Just like we learn from our mistakes, AI systems adjust their algorithms to make better decisions in the future. AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already a part of our daily lives. We interact with AI in many ways without even realizing it. Think about the last time you asked Siri or Alexa for the weather forecast. That's AI in action. These intelligent systems use AI to understand your words and respond accordingly. Another example is recommendation systems used by streaming services like Netflix or Spotify. These systems analyze your viewing or listening history to suggest movies, shows, or music you might enjoy. There are two main types of artificial intelligence: narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also known as weak AI, is designed to perform specific tasks. These tasks can range from filtering spam emails to controlling the temperature in your smart home. General AI, on the other hand, is the concept of machines possessing human-like intelligence across a wide range of tasks. While still largely theoretical, general AI aims to create machines that can think, learn and solve problems just like humans. AI is rapidly changing various industries, from healthcare and transportation to finance and customer service. In healthcare, AI is being used to develop new drugs, diagnose diseases earlier, and personalize treatment plans. Self-driving cars, powered by AI, are already being tested on our roads, promising safer and more efficient transportation. However, the rise of AI also presents ethical concerns. Data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the potential displacement of human workers are just a few of the challenges we need to address as AI becomes more sophisticated. As we continue to develop and integrate AI into our lives, it's crucial to ensure that this powerful technology is used responsibly and ethically.